Hey guys, it's ERROR SUB ZERO here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing these govee light bulbs. I know you think you're just like, oh, it's light bulbs or whatever, but these actually are pretty cool. You can use them with technology, control them with your phone, control them with like Google Assistant, all that stuff, change colors, and it's really cool. So, we're going to be opening these up today. On this side, shows you can use AI voice control, remote control, there's colorful lighting, warm, cool, scene mode, and group control, meaning that if you have multiple light bulbs just like this, it was a 2-pack, you can control them all at once. Here's some lighting facts back here, the specs, just the back, here's the top. So, let's get this opened up. These are actually pretty cool. I already have some in my room, so got more. This is a 2-pack. You don't have to get the 2-pack. You can also get just the normal version, which don't have the AI voice control, but let's just get these opened up. So, you can get these on Amazon for like $20, I think yeah, $20 for a 2-pack, and then you can get them for like, I think like $11 for 1-pack, or maybe even less than that. That is for the AI voice control. The other ones you don't have to. So this is how they come in the box, just like this. Take them out, and this isn't game or not technology, a game thing, because I normally do like games and stuff like that, but this is technology, so that's why I'm doing this. They're kind of hard to get out of the box, but let's get them out. Okay, there we go. So, as you can see, nothing else in the box, so we don't really need that. Let's put it up here. And then here's the actual light bulbs. So, they come with 2 light bulbs in this 2-pack. You can get just single packs. So here they are. Right there. Pretty nice. And then you can take them out of these packaging. And there's also just a styrofoam brick here, so nothing special. They're actually pretty easy to set up with your phone. You just have to get the app, which I'll be showing that in a second. So let's just open this bag up. I've used these before. They're actually really cool. There's a ton of different lighting settings, and if you want these just to, be able to have, like, on your phone, like, cool lighting and stuff like that, and don't care about being able to control it, and even having party mode, then get the normal versions. But here is the Wi-Fi version. Here's one of them. We'll move all this stuff out of the way. Here's the box. Here's the light bulb. We'll get this one opened up. I'm going to be showing you guys how to set them up with the phone and stuff like that, and also how to connect them to the Wi-Fi and everything like that. So let's just open this up. Boom, there's the second one. So there they are right here. Here's the box, and then you get the user manual, and then you get this card, and if you like it, you can just, here's the email and everything like that. I'm not sponsored by govee. I just like opening these things because they're actually pretty cool stuff. Here's how to set it up, all of the instructions here. So don't really need this. I know how to set these up, so I'll be showing you guys how to set them up. This isn't a ton of different languages, so let's just go to the first page. So, yeah, this isn't waterproof. I'm just reading this. Normal stuff. So, here's what I was looking for at a glance. Bulb housing, insulated case, a cap. That's literally it. What you get in this 2-pack, you get 2 LED light bulbs, 1 user manual, 1 service card, and that's it. So, there we go. That's literally it. Here is the app right here. It's the govee Home app right here. So, I'm showing you guys how to install these and then controlling with the voice and everything. So, without further ado, let's get into setting these up with your phone. Okay, guys, we're now in the govee app. And so to connect your light bulbs to what you're actually going to be using them, as you can see, I already have some light bulbs set up. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect your light bulbs. So basically, you want to press plus, then you want to find your light bulb. I got the HD003. Whenever you see the, symbol that shows the Google Assistant or Amazon Assistant, that's the actual one that works with them. So you want to press that. I use the HD003 or the HD whatever. Then it will bring you to this. Basically, what you do is you turn the light bulb off, and it's off for 2 seconds. Then you turn it back on, wait 5 seconds, turn it back off. Keep doing that until it starts switching between like warm and white, I guess you could say. Then you're going to press Operation Confirmed. It'll then ask you to connect to your Wi-Fi. So I'm going to be connecting to the Wi-Fi, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay, so once you connect to the Wi-Fi, it will then ask you to connect to the govee bulb hotspot. There's different light bulb numbers. The X that's like the actual number for the light bulb. So you'll have to figure out which one is which. if you have two. If you're just setting up one, though, then you only see one. Then once you connect to that, then it will start asking you, or not asking you, it will actually just start connecting basically to the light bulb. It will connect to your Wi-Fi, connect the light bulb to the Wi-Fi, connect the light bulb to everything else, to your phone, everything. So once you press go to set, you actually have to go to your settings and open that. So I've already done that, so I actually can't reconnect to it, but you'll just go to your settings, connect to it, and then press go to set, and then you'll have your light bulb done. So I'm going to be seeing you guys after, once I'm actually connected to this and get out of this page, so then we can actually set up the light bulb to the assistants. Okay, now you should have actually some light bulbs set up just like this. If you have another one, just do the exact same thing that I just showed you, or even doing the gaming area one. So as you can see, this is the interface for the actual light bulb. Pretty cool, nice. You can change colors, everything like that. Then you want to do is press settings. Then what you want to do is press whichever assistant you have. I'm going to be pressing the Amazon Alexa. Then you want to bind the Amazon accounts. It will take you to the Amazon Alexa app, which then you have to bind the accounts. So we're going to be doing that. So you want to press bind account, and then takes you to that app, and then boom, account linking. Link govee home with Alexa. Enable the govee home skill linked with your account. So you want to link, and there it is. So now you can voice control through the support Alexas through your Alexa speakers. So if you need to unbind, please go to the Alexa app to disable. So there we go. So now it is bonded. It's pretty easy to bind them. So we're going to be doing this one too. So just again, you want to press this, and it's actually binded for both of them. That's pretty cool. Okay, we'll rebind just to show you guys. You want to press link, and there it is. So here's the voice function. So basically, you can search for govee home, all this stuff. That's a harder way, but this is the easier way. And that's basically it. So now you can control the device through your Alexa or your Google Assistant, depending on which one you're using. You can tell her to turn the lights off, dim the lights, all of that stuff. So let's try it out. So first of all, you can turn the colors and everything off and stuff like that. These are pretty cool light bulbs. That's why I'm doing a tutorial, I guess you could say, on them, unboxing and everything. So now you should have these set up with your Alexa and everything like that. So we're going to be trying it right now. So I'm going to be asking my assistant to like turn the brightness down or something like that, and then I'll show you guys if it does work. So let's get that. So I did just ask my Alexa to turn the gaming area light off, and boom, there it is. It is off. You can ask it to turn it on, everything. So that's pretty cool. This is basically how to set them up with your Wi-Fi, connect them and everything, and set them up with your AI assistant. So that's basically it for this unboxing and setup. I know this isn't normally what I do, but I did want to do this just because I got these light bulbs and they're really cool. If you guys have any other questions, you can ask me in the comments or my discussion page, anything like that. But that is it for this video. Hope you guys did enjoy this unboxing and setup tutorial. If you did, subscribe to the channel, and it will be very much appreciated. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm going to be doing other videos on unboxing and stuff like that. I'm going to probably be doing stuff related to gaming more, but this is just one thing I wanted to show you guys. But that's it for this video. Hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!